Good morning, Junior 3. Today we will start our new lesson number 4 in chapter When Habitat Change. So that we will start our school book with page 113. Alright. Write the date of today on this page 17 December 2020. Alright, with the title, What Can We Learn from Maps? In this page, we have how many maps? 1, 2, 3 maps. So, we have 3 maps in front of us. What's the meaning of a map? Map is a flat model of a place. So, if I want to go any place, everywhere, I want a map to show me this place. Like this. The first map was me. Map number 1. The place of what? Do you remember story of Rashad and his family? Okay? When they went to the zoo? Yes. They found on the gate there is a map of many different animals in the zoo and they show places and home of this animal inside the zoo. Alright, the second map was me. Map number 2. Do you remember last year when we had map of our local community or our country, Egypt map? Yes. From where I know this is Egypt map? From shape of land. We have the most common water body, which is Nile River, and we had also what? We had also Red Sea. Yes. What else? In north, we had what? Mediterranean Sea. Okay? So, from this map, we know the place of our country, Egypt, inside our country. The third picture with me. Third. Alright. And we know that this is a map for our country, which is our local community, Egypt. Alright, the third map with me. Third map with me. This map show me the world. Show me what? The world. So that there are similarities and differences between those maps. Let's see what are differences between the 3 maps. Number 1, in the first map, we show what? We show places of shelter of different animals in the zoo. Okay, do you observe that the land or the space has the same amount? No. In the first map, there is different amount of land or space of each animal. Okay, the elephant, for example, live on this space, while giraffe live on another space different in area. Okay, the second map, which is Egypt map, this shows different areas and space land on Egypt land, okay? On Egypt map. Like what? Could you see the space of this area? Alright? Differ from the other area in the other side. As we see, what are sides of map? We have here, do you remember compass? Yes, compass on map. Compass, how many directions do we have in compass? 4 main directions. North, yes. South, yes. East and west. Okay? Alright. So I will ask you a question. Does the space of land in north direction like the space of land in south direction? No. Like it's a space in east direction? No. Like it's a space in west direction? No. So that there are different spaces of land. Okay. The third one. The third map. Third map here shows different spaces of lands, and the blue color indicates what? Water. Yes. So there is different sizes of land and water. So that differ in, write with me please, the first one in differences, amount of space it shows. So the first map show me spaces. The second map show me spaces of my local country. The third map show me spaces around the world. So they are different in sizes. There is big land, small land, medium land, and so on. Number 2. What do you observe? What else? The first map is for Giza Zoo. The second map is for my Egypt country. The third map is for what? For the world. So that these maps show the place of same one? No. Show me different places. Zoo, Egypt, and the world. Okay. Let's write similarities. What are common things or what are similar things between the three maps? Okay, three maps show us what? Land and water. Land have different colors, like in the zoo. What is color of land in the zoo map? Yes, green. Do you see any color? Tell me that there is water on this map? Yes, I see different areas with blue color. So these areas is what? Is water areas. Okay, let's see the second map, Egypt map. Could you see any color? Show me that there is water here. Yes, I can see blue water here in the north direction. What's this water for? Mediterranean Sea. Okay, and one, there is another blue water on east. Yes, and this place is what? The Red Sea. Alright, so from blue water, you know that this place is filled with water from blue color. And this, yes, from this light yellow color, it indicates this is a land. The third map, the world. Yes, we have different and many colors in the world map. We have the blue color, indicates what? Indicates water areas, while other different colors indicates color of land. So that you will write with me the three maps similar in showing us land and water. Water with a blue color and land with different colors. Alright, let's open the second page with me, or even before we write anything in the page, I want you to know we use maps. This is the shape of map and the globes. Could you remember globes? We studied it yesterday. Yes. We use map and globe. Why? To find out where habitats. What's the meaning of habitats? As we said, yes, environment where plants and animals normally live. Only no and non-living things. So we use map and globes to find out where habitats or environments are located. Means place of those habitats, their places around the world. As we see in this picture, we see that the map of the world. Okay? And on this map, there is different types of habitat with different animals. As we see, whale, we can see here, whale here in water habitat. Yes, elephant in the forest habitat. We can see what else? Yes, this is a hippo and this is a zebra. Could you remember where? Yes, in grassland habitat. So different colors. Okay, we can see also penguins. Penguins live in, yes, polar habitat, and I told you that polar habitat take white color. For what? Refer to what? Refer to color of snow. We know that polar habitat filled with snow, so that they make these areas with white color indicate to snow and icy weather. Okay, let's see what else in our school book. Please open your school book on page 114 and write date of today, please. 17 December 2020. Alright, our page with title The World Map. Okay, he asked me to study and discuss the map below. What's the meaning of discuss? Talk about the map. Show us what? Complete the key. Alright, let's see what is on the map. Here is our map of the world. Okay, show us different color areas. Okay, all of these areas called continents. Again, continents. Like what? Could you see this an orange space? This is a continent. Could you see this dark green space? This is another continent. Could you see this pink space? Yes, another continent. Yellow space, continent. Red, pink space, continent. Purple space, continent. So we have several or many continents. What's the meaning of continents? It is a very large continuous area of land. As we see, we have very large area of land that includes. What's the meaning of include, Junior? 3. Contains. What's the meaning of includes? Contains. Contains what? Many countries. Contains many countries. Like what? Could you see this pink continent? Yes. This pink continent is called Africa. And our country, Egypt country, is located in the Africa continent. Only no, with Egypt there are other different countries. We had what? We had in here, I will write with another color. We had here Egypt, yes, with the yellow dot. This is Egypt. And we had in South Sudan, okay, and we have here in West Libya, okay, so that the continent contains many countries. I will ask you a question. Continent has only one country? No, many countries. So, continent has many countries. Continent has many countries. Continent has many countries. Okay, what else do you see on your world map? Okay, I can see many blue color or very wide area with blue color. Okay, this area filled with what? Will be water or land water. Okay, I called it. Some of them are seas and some others are ocean. And we know that ocean bigger than sea. Okay, what else? We can see something called equator. Could you see this line passing across the map? Yes. This line called equator. Called what? Equator. And this line is an imaginary line. This line is an imaginary line, not exist in reality. So I will ask you a question, true or false? The equator is a real line passing across the world? No, it is an imaginary line passing across the world now. Divided our world into upper part and this upper part with direction, tell me. Yes, excellent. Will be northern part. Okay, will into upper or northern part and divided the lower part, or tell me with direction please. Yes, southern part, southern part. Okay, so this line is an imaginary line. Continent contains many countries. Continent contains many countries. Excellent. Okay. The equator is real line? No, it is an imaginary line. Okay. Let's see what else. Could you remember what is this? Yes, it is compass rules. It is compass rules. And we know that compass rules contain how many directions? 4 main directions, which are north, yes, south, yes, east, yes, west. And east toward right side, while west toward left side, as we know. Okay, so on the map there are different colors. On the map we have compass. On the map we have key. Okay, this key include what? Different colors show me what are places on map. We said that blue color. Could you see the first square? Yes, blue color indicates or show me the place of what? Water bodies. What are water bodies? Like what? Like seas and oceans only? No, rivers also, lakes and so on. All water bodies. Okay, the second square, which is an orange square. Okay, this orange square, yes, indicates a continent. Yes, and this continent has a name called what? South America. South America. We know that this an orange continent found in lower part of the world or upper part of the world? No, found in lower or southern part of the world. So that this an orange area will call what? South America, because it found in southern part. South America, South America. So write with me, the orange color called South America. Okay, pink color. Yes, this pink color indicates what? Indicates a continent. Indicates a continent. Okay, and this continent called what? Africa, which include our Egypt country. Okay, so that right with me, Africa beside pink square. Okay, then with this gray color, in order to show you, similar to white. This gray color found where? Found here. As you see, this area is for what type of habitat? Polar. Excellent. Because it locates at pole of the world. Pole of the world. So that it's called polar habitat. I will name it with its name of continent, which is Antarctica. 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 Again, Antarctica is name of the continent found in the pole. Which pole? South Pole. Okay, let's see the purple color indicates what? Purple color is also a continuous space of land or continent called what? Called Asia. Called what? Asia. Called what? Asia. Color, yellow color. This yellow color indicates what? Other continuous color of land. This one, I will make it with another color to show you. Yes, this yellow area is another continuous area of land which is continent but has a name which called Europe. Okay? With a dark green key, dark green, we will find a continent with dark green. Yes, this one. This continent found or exists in upper or north part or southern part. Yes, in north part. So it will be North America or South America. We know that previously that an orange area is called South America. So that it found in north, so it will be North America. Okay. Last one with red color. Red color, this is another type of land. Okay, this is another type of land, but it's surrounded with water from all sides. So I called it island. So island is a type of land also, but this type of land surrounded by water from all directions. This island has a name called what? Australia Island. Okay, so we have this world map. Show me continuous area of land called continent. Continent has many countries. Repeat after me, Junior 3, please. Continent has many countries. Okay, then we will found, and I tell you about a key of a map. As we said, a key of a map. What is this key? It's a tool. Something I use it. Why? To tell me what Show me what colors, number one, like we done in the previous slide. Okay, could you see the key with different colors, blue, orange, pink, gray, purple, yellow, and so on. So this key show me colors. Maybe show me picture like key of Giza Zoo. Let's return to Giza Zoo. Okay, this map of Giza Zoo, and also this map has key, and the key of zoo map show me what places, show me places. Okay, let's return back again to our slide. Okay, show me color pictures. Number 3, or shapes. So key, show me different things. Color, picture, or shapes. Color, pictures, or shapes. Represent on map. Represent means found on our map, whether this map for the zoo, whether this map for our country, Egypt, or this for the world. Okay, we have this map, and this map, as we had last year, this is a satellite image for our country from the space. Do you remember? Captured from a camera on satellite from space. And this Egypt map contains some water bodies, which the main one is Nile River, and this Nile River passing in or across our country. Okay, this is the main water feature or shape on our map. So I will ask you, what is the main water shape or feature on Egypt map? You will answer Nile River. You will answer Nile River. All right. Let's see what else. Okay, could you see we had yesterday this shape, and I told you that it is a world map. Our world map is shaped like a sphere. Sphere means like a ball, but three-dimensional ball. This is called sphere shape. Sphere means three-dimensional ball. Okay, and we said that equator, could you remember equator? Yes, I remember it. It is line through the middle of the map. Not really a visible line. So I can't see it in real. I can't see it in real, not found in real, but it's just imaginary, just a drawing on a map. Divided, as I told you, this is equator, as you see, passing across the middle of our world map, okay, and divided our world to northern hemisphere or half. This is called northern or half, north hemisphere or half, this which is upper part of this sphere, and the lower part of this sphere called south part. In each sphere there is farthest area in the north called North Pole. farthest north area called North Pole, and this lower or farthest area South Pole called what? South Pole. Okay, so a globe, it is three-dimensional model of our world. Okay, three-dimensional model of our world, or a tool. We use it what? To learn about where locations. What's the meaning of location? Where places are. Place of our country Egypt, place of different animals, place of different habitats along the world. Alright, let's see tools so that we can conclude tools we use to learn about where places or locations are. We have two tools. Number one, key of the map. Number two, globe. Key of the map. Number two, globe. Similarities and the differences between map and the globe. I wanted to see what are similarities between map and the globe. They are similar in what? Both map and the globe show us places of continents. Could you remember what are continents? Continuous area of land. Excellent. From it, what could give me one example? Africa. Yes. The continent of our country. Yes. And the different what? Different continents only? No. And the different habitats in the world. Let's see the difference between map and the globe. Map is a flat, two-dimensional model. What's the meaning of two-dimensional? Only have two sides, left and right. Left and right. Okay? According to you, it will be right here and will be left side here. So, flat or two-dimensional. It's just a paper has two sides. While globe has three-dimensional model in shape of sphere. Excellent. In shape of sphere. Yes. Okay. So now we know difference between globe and key of map and the similarities. Let's open our last page in our third lesson, page 115. Please write the date of today, 17 December 2020. Please write the date and I will see your student book on Sunday. Okay, with the title, Locating Habitats. Use the key. The key is the tool of a map. And the cardinal directions. I will found a compass. How many directions we have? 4. Okay, north, south, east, west. To talk about where habitats or environment are in relation to Egypt. So I will find the habitat inside my country only. Let's see. This map of the world map. Yes, excellent. This is the world map. Have different colors and different continents. Okay? Could you tell me where is Egypt? I will found this continent as what? Yes, Africa continent. Yes, and this Africa contain. Could you see this yellow star? This yellow star is where is Egypt? Yes. Okay, this yellow star is where is Egypt? Yes, excellent. What else could you see? I can see equator. I can see equator. And this equator is an imaginary line. This an imaginary line. passing across the world, and he divided the world into northern part and southern part. Could you see this color of land, white color, indicates what? Polar habitat. The same in south, polar habitat. Okay, the green color indicates rainforest. The red indicates what? Desert. I know this from where? From key. So here, key, show me colors only? No. Show me places only? No. Show me habitat only? No. Show me three things. Number one, show me colors. Number two, show me places. Number three, show me what else? Habitats or environment. Alright, let's see. White key is for polar habitat. Okay, green key is for tropical rainforest, and usually it found surrounded the equator, around the equator. So rainforest, it is the area around the equator. What else? Let's see. This red color is for desert, and we found this red color spread in Egypt country. So you can tell me what are habitats in Egypt? Yes, you will write with me. Egypt has, yes, red is for desert habitat. Desert habitat. Could you see me? Could you tell me what telling you directions? Yes, I can see this compass rose. Okay? Alright. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Junior 3. And I hope you answer your student book, and I will see it next time. Please answer all questions in your book.